Welcome to SOF. In this video, we will tell you the process of online registration system. This system is created to help schools register themselves and their students for SOF Olympiads online efficiently. To start the process, you first have to go to the URL ors.sofworld.org. You will be directed to the page Online Registration Form for Schools. Then you have to log into your school at the school login box. For new users, you first have to register yourself. To register, click on the Register Now link. After clicking on Register Now, the school representative has to fill in all the details on the page given below carefully. After filling out the details, click on the Create a New Account to register yourself and generate your login credentials. After creating a new account, you will be notified by email and SMS. Now log into your account. After logging in, the school dashboard page will open like this. Here you can see the status of all the registrations, payment details, and pending payments. If you scroll down further, you will see all the data regarding your registrations from your school, like how many registrations have been completed till now, a table showcasing data of students on Olympiad-wise registrations, etc. Now, for student registrations, first click on the Register Students option and a drop-down menu will open. In the drop-down menu, you will find three ways of registration. First is Pay Online. Here the school can make payments for the registered students who have already applied via other methods. This is an alternative option to complete the payment online instead of previous methods like demand draft, bank transfers, etc. Here, school representatives have to fill in their details, enter the total amount to be paid, and click Pay Online. Check your details on this page and click Pay Online. Here you will see various online payment methods like QR code, UPI, card, net banking, etc. To complete your payment, use any preferred method and complete the payment. After successfully completing your payment, here on this page, you will see this thank you page with transaction details. Note, always keep your payment ID for any query with SOF. After completing the payment, you will be received acknowledgement of payment completed successfully by an email and an SMS from SOF, like this. The second way of registration is through Fill the Details online section. Here, schools can register themselves. To start, first fill in all the school details and must mention your correct school code allocated by SOF. Then click on Save and Next to save the details and go to the next page. On the Students Entry Form page, participating students' details and their chosen Olympiads need to be filled. Here you can select the classes and fill in the details of the students who are participating from that class and in which Olympiad they are participating. You can add more rows as required. After filling in the details of all the students, click on Save and Next to save the information. Then you will be directed to the Students Registration Summary page. Here, choose the exam date that is more suitable for you to conduct the particular SOF Olympiad exam. After selecting dates for all Olympiad exams, click on Save and Next. You will now be directed to the Student Registration Summary page. Review the summary of registrations and click Pay Online. After this, on the checkout page, you can review all the information in detail and then click Pay Online. The total amount to be paid will be automatically appear based on the number of registrations. Here, complete the payment through your preferred online payment method like QR code, UPI, card, net banking, etc. After completing the payment, you will receive acknowledgement of registration completed successfully by email and an SMS from SOF. The third way is through download forms. Here, download and print the school registration forms and student registration forms, etc. and fill them with the correct details. After filling out the forms, scan and upload them in Upload Details section in mentioned format. Then you will be directed to Upload File Summary, where you will find the summary of uploaded files. Here you have to select the exam dates for all Olympiad exams. Here you also have to mention the number of participants from each classes and their class representative. Finally, click on Save and Next. Verify your updated files here and click on Pay Online. Then you will be directed to Checkout page. Review all the details regarding your registrations and click on Pay Online. The next page, complete your payment online. Now here in the View Submit Details section, you can find the detailed report of your registrations and payment status. In the View Registration Details section, you can review your school's registration details and other information. In the School Profile section, you will find all your previously filled details. Here you can review, edit and save the details of your school. In the Teachers Profile section, you can review, edit and save all the details regarding the teachers, Olympiad coordinators and in charges. From Generate Registration Code section, you can generate code for your school. Here you can see you can send the code via SMS or email. Through the Change Password section, you can fill in your current password and change to something else. Thank you.